Okay, so guys, if the images or videos preview is not showing in your Windows 11, then how you can fix that? It's pretty basic, guys. Just go to the three dots here and then click on options. When you click on option, you'll see something called view. Click on view, and when you click on view, you have to untick this option which is called always show icons, never thumbnails. You have to untick that and click on apply. When you click on apply, the thumbnails will start appearing, guys. But if still it doesn't working like this, guys, this is the image I intentionally pasted here so that you guys can see what's the problem here. So this is an image which is not even opening on my Windows 11, and also the thumbnail is also not appearing. So the problem is the extension, guys. As you guys can see, this is the extension of HEIC, which is the normal extension for photos in your iPhone. And if you see these, guys, these are all PNG or JPGs. So if you want to fix this, then what you can do is you can just convert this image into a PNG image by going to converting websites like I am right now on Cloud Convert. So when I click on download, guys, and save it, then you guys can see this image will start appearing on my folder, and it will also run on my PC. As you guys can see, now the image is opening. So this was not opening, now this is opening because of this extension, guys. PNG, JPG, these are the extensions which is supported by the default image viewers. These are the extensions which are supported by the default image viewer of Windows 11, guys. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.